Hey everyone, we have this Cadbury Fuse chocolate, so let's check it out. This one is 93 gram pack, MRP is 107 and we got it from Amazon with 23% discount for just 82 rupees. And inside this pack there are 6 chocolate bars, meaning one bar cost us around 14 rupees. I've put the link in the description box. And each single bar is 15.5 gram. And what's inside this chocolate? Here what it has good crunch of crunchy peanut, smooth and sweet caramel layer, rich chocolate mousse like filling. Everything is in a perfect balance, not too sweet, not too less. The chocolate is crispy on the outside, soft and melty on the inside. As soon as you take one bite, happiness is spread in your mouth. It's fresh, packaging is great, and flavor is full on. So it's a great option for chocolate lover, but you do take a look at the nutritional information too. It's fine for occasional treats but not for daily consumption. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.